Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "your device isn't compatible with this version" problem when installing the Shopify app. If you're trying to install Shopify from the Play Store, but it shows this compatibility error, don't worry, there are a few simple solutions you can try. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone and search for the Shopify app. If you see the message saying your device isn't compatible, the first thing you should do is check your Android version. To do this, go to Settings, scroll down to About Phone, and tap on Android version. If your phone is running an older Android version, try updating your device software to the latest available version. Next solution is clearing the Play Store cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Store, Storage, tap Clear Cache. After that, reopen the Play Store and try installing the app again. Another method is updating Google Play services, because outdated services can sometimes cause compatibility errors. Simply search for Google Play services in the Play Store and install any available updates. If the problem still continues, you can try installing the Shopify app from the official website or a trusted APK source. Download the latest version that supports your Android device, enable Install from Unknown Sources, and then install the app manually. Finally, if your phone is very old and doesn't support the latest app version, you can still manage your store using the Shopify website in your mobile browser. And that's it. These methods should help you fix the Shopify app compatibility problem on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech